That's it. Didn't you want something to drink? You were just knocking the water bottle over. Come on. Show 'em what clever boy you are. Hey.